this work. All right, guys, back at you with another video. Today we're gonna be talking about the rear wheel setup on my car. I got Mickey Thompson 17-inch drag radials, R's on 17-inch wheel wheels. 17 inches, not 15s, 17 inches. You can see from the video, you seen the tire wrinkle action on the 17-inch drag radials. You know, that's when you know you're hooking. You got this big heavy tank over here. This big heavy boy, old Mayhem, is putting in work. Don't let nobody tell you can't make 17 inches work. It's a few little tricks you got to do that I'm going to share with you guys as soon as I reach that 100 subscriber mark. I promise you I'm giving you all the goods. This ain't no clickbait or no bait and switch thing. As soon as I get them 100 subscribers, I'm giving you everything. You know, I just want to grow my channel. You know, I'm just trying to get out there because it ain't, you know, many people out there that's willing to share what they did to their car. You know, I race. I ain't no grudge racer. I don't race for money. So, you know, I'm going to do what, you know, I feel that I like to do. You know, I like to drag race. You know, I don't race for money, but I'm gonna give you guys the secrets, you know, so that, you know, you can go and do what I'm doing. You know, it ain't no secret, and I ain't got no fairy dust in my pocket, but I did a lot of research, you know, on my setup. You know, a lot of things, trial and error that I did, you know, to get my car to run the way it does. And I'm gonna give you guys it all. I'm gonna give you all. I'm gonna give you a little bit of my new setup that I got coming, but I'm gonna give you all of the setup, the old setup, you know, up until this day. And I'm gonna give you a little bit of my new setup, and I'm gonna do some videos with me, you know, doing the motor swap and, you know, the other things that I'm doing, changing my setup, you know. But I just need you guys to like the video, comment, subscribe, you know, hit that notification bell, share the video. Let's get it to grow, you know, let's get this platform to grow, because I'm gonna bring you so much content, man, at the drag strip, at car meets, you know, other guys, you know, that I'm cool with, you know, that running and racing, giving you their setups, that don't mind giving you their setup, bring you interviews, and man, from not just the heavy Chevys to the Vets, the C6s, the C7s, the C5s, you know, we just gonna be a car channel, you know. So, you know, hit the subscribe button, the like button, comment, subscribe.